This is Choke68 and I'm here to talk about my submission for Design Search Interface Challenge that it's right here on the page. As you're seeing, there was a requirement to build search options panel that is creatable through code. It seems like initially there are some fields that could be done statically through HTML, but my approach was to create those interface fields directly with code. It means that you can define what the interface will be shown through Apex code, and all interface elements will be created dynamically. So what we have here is a group of panels that you can expand and collapse. It's based on jQuery UI, and it uses a layout plugin to make these couple of columns to be resized as the user wishes. So these are the different fields that I've created in JavaScript using the metadata provided by the Apex class, and this is currently mocked up HTML. It's a mocked up data that comes coded into a list of items that will be retrieved through Ajax. So this is not supported by a custom object, but using a list. What is intended to be shown here is only data transmission and not database design. Okay, so let's as the demo is really small, I would like to talk about the code that is defining the metadata for this to work. Okay, I will open the code in here. Have a controller that has some classes inside. These classes are define the pattern of objects that will be used along the code. So for instance, the page is using these libraries. Basically, I was telling you about jQuery, template library, and the layout. Then there is a search interface section. It's called do search sections. This is the definition through Apex of the different objects that will be used. You can see we can define the values that several drop-downs use, and text fields, sliders, etc. All these objects and then serialized through JSON here. And then when we got this information, is passed to this function. Okay, let's see where this goes. Is done when is loaded the object. Then the load sections, search sections method is called. and here the template is responsible for generating everything. But you can see this is a small code, and actually the work of generating all the stuff is done through template. This is the main template. Let's see the templates. This is the template script. This is the main template, and as you can see, there is an interaction for every section here. This is for next, for each, or for next. This is the name of the section, and then for every search parameter is the JavaScript code to generate it. This interaction also calls inside another template that is called by name. It's convention. There is not a switch in here or if to locate the template. As you can see, this is located using the name as prefix and adding template script as a suffix. Let's go to a sub template. Here, for instance, you have a text template, slider template. This is for every widget. We have a template definition in here. See, there is a select. This way code, I think, goes simple, because there is no append through JavaScript every time a new control is generated, but only following small syntax in here for the template engine. Well, that's for the search widgets part. And then for the load grid, this is the load grid. This is the data grid in here. This is in Internet Explorer. Let me open the one we were seeing. Sorry, this is not this set. Okay, this is the JQ Grid widget or plugin that is loaded here. This is the HTML ID. Okay, you see here. JQ Grid requires that a table is created through HTML, and then has URL parameter via its options that calls the URL you can specify in here. In my case, I have this responder page. Here's a search location items. This is the result page. It has a couple of methods that it's for searching, and then for printing out the results, the JSON formatted result. This is for the search widgets. As you can see, this is the information that the challenge is specifying as required. So all this data that comes from the controller is put down in the grid. This is a small call for generating layout and some styles that will make all widgets look 100% width by padding them 10 pixels, and so here and width 100% here. Okay, that's it. I hope you like the submission, and thanks for watching.